guys, samahan niyo ako. It's a day 2 without him. So it's a morning routine. My form is beeping at 7 o'clock in the morning, so I need to wake up. And I remember every time that I was used to prepare all these things before he's going to work. So ito, nagdrama na naman yung ate niya because I miss him a lot. Hindi pala madali yung wala yung partner mo sa tabi. I know there is a reason behind it. Pero kakayanin. Malayo na pero malayo pa. Pero may rason naman kung bakit wala siya dito. Sana man lang guys, makayanan nila lahat ng pinagdadaanan nila ngayon. Although nandito lang naman ako. Kahit minsan ini-ignore niya ako, at least it's fine. Kasi pinaparamdam ko sa kanya na I'm always here for him no matter what. So ito, naghihilamos na ako. Ayan, hawak-hawak ko yung damit niya, yung bago siya nag-flight. So ito, naamoy-amoy ko pa rin. Nagdrama na naman ulit. Hindi ko mapigilan yung yak, guys. Hindi pala madali yung wala siya. I thought it would be easy at first, but I was wrong. I admit it, I was wrong. It's too much hard and painful. Every day when I was looking at the room, I was crying. I don't know why. Maybe because I miss him. So I put myself in his hand. I would have been. Magana naman ang mata ng auntie mo, guys. Hindi ko kasi napigilan mo na. Because I miss him a lot. Hindi ko pala kaya na wala siya. Kaya minsan, alagaan niyo yung tao. Kapag nandyan pa sila sa tabi niyo, show them how the way you love them, how the way you care for them, and cheer them up instead of fighting. Kapag mahal mo, mahamakin mo lahat ng pagsubok eh. Ganun talaga nagagawa ng pagmamahal. Minsan nagtakatanga, minsan din sobrang martyr. Pero as I committed to him, I'm staying loyal. Happy naman ako, but now a little bit sad because he's away for long. So, it's a day 2. Hindi ko alam kung ano pang gagawin ko susunod na mga araw. But I tried to make myself strong also because of him, because he need me right now in this time and these journeys in our life. I know it will change a lot. Too much changes after this, but I'm always here for him. I will not give up. I know this time it was a tough time for us. So, nagpakatatag na lang ako, antayin ko ulit ang pagbabalik niya. Pero hindi ko talaga maiwasan. I miss him too much. At sa kanya lang umiikot yung mundo ko eh. Hindi pala madali yun, kumbaga inaasan nyo yung kaligayahan nyo sa iba. Kasi ito, iyak, nagdadrama, nagtatantrum. Kumbaga ang hirap guys pag inaasa nyo yung kasiyahan nyo sa iba.